Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting the video, if you are new and have not subscribed our YouTube channel, press the subscribe button. In today's video, we will learn what is social anthropology. Introduction. The term anthropology is a combination of two words derived from Greek language, anthropos and logos. The term anthropos is equivalent to the word mankind or human being, while logos means study or science. So, putting the two words together, anthropology is the study or science of mankind or humanity. The following are two important simple definitions of anthropology. Number one, anthropology is the study or science of mankind or humanity. Number two, anthropology is a broad scientific discipline dedicated to the comparative study of human as a group from its first appearance on earth to its present stage of development. In a more specific term, anthropology is science which investigates the strategies for living that are learned and shared by people as members of human social groups. Examine the characteristics that human beings share as a member of one species and the diverse way that people live in different environments. So, what is social anthropology? Social anthropology is the field of anthropology that studies how living human beings behave in social groups. According to S.C. Dube, social anthropology is that part of cultural anthropology that devotes its primary attention to the study of social structure and religion rather than material aspects of culture. It is clear that social anthropology studies the different aspects of social structure such as social events, social institutions, and social relations, etc. According to Piddington, social anthropologists study cultures of contemporary primitive communities. This definition of social anthropology is a bit narrow because anthropology does not only study primitive cultures but studies contemporary cultures also. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Subscribe for more videos.